Hello, I'm Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. I'm here to show you just how quick and easy it is to edit a shift in RosterElf. How to access the shift editing option. Hover over the shift you wish to edit. This highlights the specific shift you intend to modify. Click the Edit button. This opens the Edit Shift modal for quick changes. How to update shift details. Make the necessary adjustments in the Edit Shift modal. This allows you to customize the shift's start and end times or assigned staff. Save your changes. This ensures your new shift details are recorded in the roster. How to save your changes. Save a draft shift. This lets you review and publish later or publish all at once using the Publish All Drafts option. Save and notify for a published shift. This ensures your staff receive an update if an already published shift is changed. How to edit past shifts. Revisit any past shift you need to adjust. This keeps your records accurate if shifts differed from what was originally scheduled. Go to the payroll screen and add a payroll note for work time changes. This clarifies why the shift details were adjusted after the fact. Add a new shift directly in payroll if different staff worked the job. This keeps your roster and payroll information completely aligned. Thanks for watching, and happy rostering. If you ever need a helping hand, our support team is always ready to assist.